Indiana hospitals reaching a peak of COVID patients. Hospitalizations at their highest level since the pandemic began.
Doctors say the month of January is going to be important for determining how we move forward actually in the pandemic. CBS 4's Aaliyah Blackburn reports.
We're now approaching our peak levels of inpatient activity for the entire pandemic.
And that's what hospitals are seeing as Indiana continues a massive winter surge. And doctors think one thing is behind it.
We do feel that this is likely being driven by Omicron cases.
Even though the State Department of Health still shows Delta as the dominant variant, hospitals say that's because they're waiting on updated numbers. Still, health officials know the virus spreads quickly.
This variant is much more contagious than the previous one, at least 2 to 3 times, and maybe more than that.
And health officials feel the winter season isn't helping contain the spread.
Some of it is the weather, people are inside, some of it is the holidays and large gatherings that people have been around, but some of it's the virus itself.
And though everything isn't bad news, Dr. Paul Driscoll with Franciscan Health feels the next month could start to turn things around in the pandemic.
The current modeling that we're seeing suggests that optimistically the Omicron surge may peak by the end of this month and then start to drop down.
However, health officials are quick to admit, as we've learned with this pandemic, things could change at any moment.
We got a month or two ahead of us. It's going to be very tough.
In Indianapolis, Aaliyah Blackburn, CBS 4 News.
Aaliyah, thank you. Health officials say the Omicron variant is less severe in terms of symptoms. They are concerned that this could be causing some people to minimize the seriousness of the virus. They pointed out that people are still ending up in the ICU and dying.
People who do have underlying medical conditions and lung conditions and the elderly, they're still at very high risk of this virus. And you can't count on it being mild if you're one of them.
Even though we are seeing less severe disease, a lot of that may be because we're seeing breakthrough infections in people that have either previously been infected or been vaccinated, and their cases are mild, but the people that are ending up in the hospital seriously ill are those that have largely been unvaccinated.
Doctors are still asking Hoosiers to get vaccinated, wear a mask, and practice good hand hygiene.